You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that is quite confusing. It confuses a lot of people. It comes from French, like many confusing words. Commerce is the French word, and it means trade in French, or a shop as well. Commerce, that's your British English pronunciation here. How to pronounce commerce. 2 syllables, stress on the first syllable, commerce. The British English pronunciation doesn't pronounce the R much, commerce. Now in American English you pronounce the R and it's pronounced commerce, commerce, commerce or commerce. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.